Give me a little bit more context. I'm gonna get somebody else. Jose, how you doing, man?
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, bro? Do you acknowledge this is live and I can use the clips however I choose?
I do.
Okay, what is your brand, man?
So I run a solar panel cleaning business.
Okay. How can I help you?
So I just started maybe about 5 months ago. I work
Mhm.
as a solar panel technician, so I get a lot of customers from systems that I'm servicing. However, I'm trying to use Instagram, TikTok, Yelp, Google to kind of get more customers. My videos I feel like aren't the best. Roughing about 200 to 600 views per video. I just bought a microphone because I feel like the audio on my videos aren't the best.
Mhm.
And just trying to up the quality of them because I figured that the reason why I'm not getting views is because my videos aren't the best.
I mean, that's your videos can get views and you won't get customers. If the goal is to get customers, right?
Yeah, so I'm posting, like more satisfying videos to get views, but then I'm also posting, videos where
Lifestyle?
I'm like, no, just to music, to like the satisfying to the panels being cleaned. But then I'm also posting like funnel videos where it's like this is what customers aren't thinking about, or if you live in this area, you're prone to more rainfall, more dirtier panels, or
What's the
stuff like that. So I'm posting all kinds of videos. What
what's
was
the
that?
Instagram? What's the Instagram?
It's called let me get it for you. I think it's called Island Shine Panel Washing.
Could you put it in the private chat so I can copy it?
Yeah, I got you. Island Shine Panel Washing. Yep.
I got you, Edward. I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Washing. Okay, I put it.
Okay. Okay. I help homeowners in or maintain their solar systems. Okay. We got some image infographics pinned. It's not a good idea. Let's see a piece of content. You're filming your videos in the wrong angle, bro. You're starting them off. You're starting them off, and you got to film them in the right angle, like vertical.
Okay.
All right. Let's start there. I didn't know I needed to wash. I didn't know I needed my panels washed. I'm like turning my neck. Yeah, that's not gonna get no views for sure. Let's fix that first. Let's fix the right dimensions. Your videos are sideways. So turn the phone straight and then film it because it's a vertical video. What is this?
Every single panel, every single roof, and all that affects your production. So if you want to save money and
yeah, that's not gonna cut it, bro. So none of this is gonna cut it. Social media is like it's not you turn on your phone and you just talk, right? There needs to actually be structure. You have a valuable business. Right? How much does installing a solar panel cost?
I don't install. But one cleaning service roughly around $300, $500 depending how big it is.
Okay. So 300, 500. How much do you make a month?
So I work full time. I make about close to 5K, and then right now I'm only making about an extra 1,000 a month, 1 to 2K, depending how well it goes.
Gotcha. So your goal would be to just get more people to want their panels cleaned.
Yeah, more customers, more audience, more money, obviously.
Yeah, and it's you're the only person running the business.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So you would have to your brand would have to be around educating about solar panels, right? Not just education about solar panels, content ideas content structures, content system, content formats that show that you are an authority around solar panels. And one of those things around solar panels will be cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
You can't just get on there and be like, this is why you need to clean your solar panels. It needs to be, why should I listen to you? What am I getting from consuming your content? So there's a multitude of different ways you can go about this, but you should have top of funnel videos that bring awareness and attention to your brand, right? For you specifically, a service-based business, you don't necessarily need frameworks and all this nonsense. It's skill show. It's why this is important, showing you actually doing the job. Right? These things can be put together in a content architecture that will actually bring you views and lead to more clients in your city. You're a one-man show, right? Like in that city.
Yeah.
So that's going to be tough. So eventually the goal will probably be to just get people to work underneath you to do the cleaning for you.
Yeah.
All right. But if you can build a big enough audience, you can get enough demand to have people underneath you doing the actual cleaning. And you guys just are known as the brand that does all the cleaning solar panels? How big is your location?
So I'm in Oahu, so Honolulu. It's about a couple million, I think, population.
Okay.
You know, so it's big, but it's also small. You know, it's like it's an island. You know, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to capture as much as I can. You know, so would love to go full time and be the guy who just does the content. Yeah, trying to go that way.
The idea would be the content doesn't become a job though, and that's what we
Yeah.
preach. That's what we teach. The content is something that you get taken care of for you. You have an idea, you're the brand face, and you perform and you execute this content based on direction given to you, and you bring visibility to your brand, and then eventually you can replace yourself. But you got to make people care before they buy.
Yeah,
They're
that's
not
what I
gonna
think I'm
care.
struggling with. Yeah, because
Right.
I watch my own videos and I'll be like, I'm not even interested. You know?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's a lot of. I would suggest if you don't want to have to learn this on your own and you do want to make money, we do the whole thing for you. We do the research for you. We tell you what to say, when to say it, how to film it, and we just take care of it for you. All right. So the thing about content is you are still the expert. I can't script that. You know more about solar panels. You know, like people think that doing content for people means, okay, I'm gonna just give them ChatGPT. That's what most people do. That's what agencies do. They just feed you bullshit. But what needs to happen is you're the face, you're the authority, and you're given what to do and how to inject your specific expertise into a medium that will bring attention to your brand. Because you still have to run the business. You still have to go and do the cleaning.
Yeah, doing all that, you know, doing all that. Yeah.
So I mean, you can sit here and there's several options. You can rely on paid ads, spend money to get more customers.
No.
You can do referrals, ask your customers for more money. I'm asking customers for more customers. Or you can say, you know what? This content thing seems like a good idea. I want to be able to replace myself eventually. I'll just let, Scale the brand just handle my content for me. That's been doing content for 10 years. Or you can figure out alone. Like I'll still help you with some feedback here, but like it's up to you at the end of the day. Okay. But
okay. Thank you.
What I suggest, formats, inject your expertise. Are you watching on YouTube?
Yeah. I do watch your video on YouTube. So like I wanna go with you. I just feel like I'm not at a place yet to where I'm making enough from this to hire you guys to help me. So I've been trying to figure it out on my own, but yeah, obviously I've been missing,
Yeah, we're not unreasonable, bro. That's why we'll talk with you and see what we can help you out with in terms of financing, whatever. Like we're not unreasonable. So if you want to see what that can mean for you, it's no pressure. We're not forcing you to do anything.
Yeah. I'll definitely check it out because I have this, and then I also wanted to do like my own fitness stuff. So like I do jiu-jitsu and I do a lot of mobility work, and I want to help people with chronic pain that like I dealt with. But I'm really trying to just like focus on one at a time, and this one's like
those are two different things.
Yeah. Obviously, yeah. But yeah, I'll check you guys out. No, I'll see what you guys can help me with and all that because I have the direction on the drive, but I just don't know where to go. How to do it.
I got you. Link. I'm posting the link in the chat. And then you can go from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good, man. Thank you.
All right. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you guys feedback. I think you guys should definitely build your brand. You should not sit there and just accept